I just wanted to film what Lori McBride is doing. I stayed up way too late last night working on this camera. We got the battery charged on the camcorder though. This is an outdoor shot through my window. And look at those clouds. Like right there. I don't know if you can see down at the bottom there on the horizon. Those are just... These are definitely... I'll take a look at that. I'm doing this through my window. That's pretty ominous there. Let me try another shot. Okay, I've upgraded the video quality to high definition. I'm going to see if this helps. Usually that shows more, you hear more of the rattlesnake noise with that. On high definition right now. That uses up more file space and it usually causes more problems for me. See right down there at the bottom. High definition seems to be better at filming clouds though. Let me see if I can get a date stamp here. Looks like you have to add it while you're filming. It doesn't just do it automatically. Okay. Look at Lori's clouds. Okay, I've got it on highlight priority, about 30 on sound, and this seems to be the best setting for clouds. The highlight. Let's try zoom in here. Yeah, this seems to be the best setting for clouds. I'm gonna have to remember that. Yeah, I like to have the lower mic settings because it gets less of the rattlesnake sound. Let's see how this goes. These are Lori's bomb clouds here, as you can see. Oh, put a date stamp on here. Oh, it won't let me do it, huh? Don't see it. I guess I can't do it. Well, it's the 10th, August the 10th. Okay. It's the afternoon, about 4 o'clock. This is on auto. Does pretty good on automatic. Let's see. Interesting cloud formation right there. Today is the 10th of August. Some interesting clouds over here too. Yeah. But this, look how it's kind of like going up that way. Let's go this way. See that? Looks like something got dumped over here. This is the southwestern sky. Take a look at that. Whoa, look at that. All the way up above me. I've got it on auto. Okay. The other camera I could never take pictures near the sun. It wouldn't show up, so this one's a better one. That's an interesting scene there. All right. This is the eastern sky. As you can see, that's kind of interesting there. And then we go this way. This is the north. It's sunset than the other one. You see, like there's the it just kind of automatically goes into sunset mode. have it on auto. Here in the southwest, it looks like Lori did something. You know, that kind of like goes up there, all the way up like that. Also, you can zoom in there. That looks interesting right there. Oh, great zoom. This is the northern sky. Look at there on the horizon. That looks interesting. A little bit of pinkishness, but it's not bad. This is right on the sun. Let me see what happens when we do that. Oh, this camera's good. It really does good job. Oh, did I? Oh, there it is. Look at that. Yeah. This camera's just... Okay, this is the eastern sky. Getting close to around sunset. I've seen more interesting skies. I'm mainly just testing out my new camera. Yeah. It looks a little interesting, like right there, you know, but right there. I'm going to try a different mode. Let's try. Okay, I have it on, yeah, auto's better. I'm just going to leave it on auto. See how it just automatically adjusts for whatever's best? Auto is the best setting for this camera. Yep, this is going to go around. Just let the camera decide what it needs to do. Now that's kind of interesting right there. Look at that, how it kind of like layered clouds here. Oops, right there. It's kind of like layers. And then right there to the north, something's looming. See that? Now look at this. This is the northwestern sky, kind of like, actually it doesn't look like, it looks like it's right over me. It's very close. Some sort of weird Nukaki clouds, I think. This camera takes longer to set up though, so it's like it interferes with my walks too much. This is the eastern sky. Now this is pretty looming. Look at this. This is the southeastern sky. It's just like and then it goes up like that. She's dropping something in the south and the southeast. But the pink, the pink color seems to be better. Like look at that sunset there. You don't really see that much pink. See, it's not bad. That's improving. My men must be doing something. Definitely like looming clouds over me. See, that's the roof. They look like they're right above me too. This is the northwestern sky. Here's to the north. That's kind of interesting. What's sort of looming. Like I've seen it worse. This is a different camera. This one really picks up the pink. But there isn't really a lot of pink compared to other days. I've seen it worse. There's the south. Southwest, west, northwest, north, northeast, and then here's the east, southeast. Now that looks interesting right there. Right there. That looks really interesting. It's like a bomb cloud in the midst of serenity. Because all around it is clear, you know, but just right there. Huh. The shape of those clouds. Those are Nukakis. See that? This is the eastern sky and the northeast. Those are Nukakis. See that one? That's another Nukaki right there. Right there. Wow, I think this one's getting closer to me. It's like it's looming right. It's like I could get up and reach it. Just look at that. It's right above me. Out at nighttime, look at those Nukakis. It does pretty good at night. See, that's a street light. That's a Nukaki there. Another one, northeastern sky. Whoa, what a sight. Look at that. This is what I'm on my walk. This cloud's just looming over me. This is the southeastern sky at night. Does really good at does a good job at night. This is my new Canon camera. And you can see some interesting cloud formations there. We're really seeing an improvement in pink. There's very little pink in that sunset. This is a big improvement. My men must be doing something. She's still dropping Nukaki, but it looks like maybe the germ contamination element of it is getting a little better. I don't know. It's not as pink as I've seen. This is a different camera, and this one actually makes the sky look pinker than it is. But it's not that bad, really. This is at night. Doesn't you could actually make out a star there. It's not doing too bad for night. This is at night. You can sort of see the star, see? This is on the low light setting. This is the northwestern sky at night. Okay, I just made some meatloaf and I did the dishes. I'm doing this now on high definition. I've decided the problem is my computer video player. It's not the camera. But because I can play super high definition, so I did the dishes. You know what happened here with this? This is my my pepper spray. I sprayed some the other day to test it on myself, and the wind blew it back into my left eye, and it got on my clothes. So oh boy, was my eye watering. So I had to wash. I'm definitely going to do laundry, but I wanted to pre-wash the stuff that got the pepper spray on it. And I'm letting it dry here, and then tomorrow I will do my laundry. And I'm dusting right now while I'm making a video. What I'm going to do is make these into videos for my Patreon supporters. It's raining right now, and here's my stand. See that? My tripod. Isn't that nice? I made my bed, and let's see if I can get some of this rain on auto, so it might just automatically change the configuration to see if we can get the. It's raining. Yeah. You can kind of hear it. Go check out the outside view through a screen. See how that does. Well, you can hear the rain. There's the screen. It's about midnight right now and it's raining. But it wasn't raining when I went for my walk earlier. Well, I guess this is about as good as you can expect to a screen, huh? Alright. And I am doing my laundry. Let's see. This is, I don't know if I can get myself in here. It's raining outside. These are, here's okay, this is okay, the laundry's running. This is, I put my camera inside of this, and so that's closest to what it looks like. You're playing with this camera. You can see how it got little green spots on it. Interesting rain clouds. See, look at that. Okay, I got this set on snow. I line dry my clothes. Here's a shirt that I got when I visited Tasho in Los Angeles, and they gave that to me for free. It's a little. I don't want it to shrink. That's why I line dry it, because I am not skinny anymore, and that's for a skinny person. And then this one, because of all the fancy decorations on it. You see that? So I line dry this one as well. So. Yeah, you can see all the fancy decorations. Yeah, and then I also line dry my bra and underwear. So